Who is ready to Rix, Flix, and relax at a theme park? I hope you all are. It's kind of what we do here. But before we begin, we publish theme park videos on this channel all the time. So hit that subscribe button and that bell notification button so you'll know when another video is ready for you to view. Today we are at Disney's Magic Kingdom, and the first thing we notice is this fancy scrim they have up by the railway. The railway office, all covered up. We do also notice they still have Christmas decorations up. I always get super nervous when I scan into a Disney park, hoping I didn't screw up my reservation. I did not screw it up. My reservation is in fact for today, and is in fact for the Magic Kingdom. However, we are allowed to park hop, and we'll do some of that as well. There are a couple things to note as we walk down Main Street. The first thing to note is that the Christmas decorations are still up, but we think that is the only remnants of Christmas here right now. The music has switched over. It's no longer Christmas music, and I believe they are no longer doing the Christmas projection on the castle. So it does appear that Christmas is almost complete. Just got to take down these decorations. Can't go too far down Main Street, as I do need to pop in one of these stores here. As always, I am on the hunt for a very cool yellow Disney t-shirt. We'll see if 2021 treats me well in that regard. And I am liking this yellow Disney shirt for $37. I like the graphic. I like the color yellow that it is. It doesn't appear to be too thin or too thick. However, I don't think I'm liking the neck. I don't know. That might be too like a wide of a neck. I'm going to have to, I'll put this in my memory bank, ponder it, and we'll see if I pick it up before we leave. It's always something with those Disney yellow shirts preventing me from getting them. Always something. And here is Cinderella's castle, and quite honestly, we do expect some other type of adornment to be added to the castle to kind of commemorate the 50th anniversary. We will keep an eye out throughout the year, see if they add anything to this castle. The Christmas cavalcades are over, so back to the normal ones. Here's one with Eeyore and Piglet. I don't think I'm going to ride any rides today, but we will check on some of the wait times for some of the popular rides, see where they're at this first week of January. Here's something interesting if you're a fan of the Columbia Harbor House, which has not reopened since the parks have reopened. In Tomorrowland, you can get some of the entrees that are Harbor House entrees here, such as the lobster roll for $15.99, the trio platter, the combo platter, and the harbor salad. My wife Nikki loves the Harbor House. She'll be excited to see this. The wait time for Space Mountain is 70 minutes, but as we pan over here to our left, we can see the canopy for the Tron roller coaster. We need to walk that way. We have some rumors to discuss regarding Tron. I don't know if it's going to show up too well from this angle. It's hard to get a good angle. But where the track, the outside portion of the track goes inside the little portal there, they have closed it up. And they closed it up well. Even having, it's not just like a sheet of plywood there to cover up that entry point. It's painted, it matches the rest of the building. This goes to the rumor that they are delaying construction on this. Won't have it ready for the year 2021 for the 50th anniversary. And some even say may not be ready in the year 2022. They are purposely slowing down construction on this thing, which is not a fun rumor to share because this is one of the new rides I was looking forward to experiencing. This is a very interesting turn of events. The same rumor holds true for Guardians of the Galaxy there at Epcot. At least in 2021, we know we're going to get Iron Gwazi at Busch Gardens and the Velocicoaster at Universal Studios Islands of Adventure. This is an interesting sight. The line for the Seven Dwarfs Mine Train wraps all the way around the attraction, all the way around. Let's go check on the wait time. The wait time is 130 minutes, or if you prefer, 2 hours and 10 minutes.
Yowza!
By the way, I am still on the lookout for a yellow Disney shirt. I've seen some people wearing like a yellow hoodie that I wouldn't mind as a t-shirt. I just don't know if they have it as a t-shirt. Well, the last time I was here, they had Scrim up for the Small World. They've taken it down, and you know, I've got to say, it's very colorful, very pretty. And by the way, the wait time for It's a Small World is 45 minutes, which is the exact same amount of time you would have to wait for Peter Pan's flight right now. By the way, the time right now is 1:30, so I have 30 minutes before I can try to park hop. As I mentioned earlier, the Harbor House has not reopened since the parks have reopened. They are currently using it as an extended queue for Peter Pan's flight. Another popular ride here at the Magic Kingdom is the Haunted Mansion. It is showing a 40-minute wait time, but you know what? Usually the posted wait times are not as bad as the actual wait times. However, I am not going to test any ride wait times today. Not today. Oh, here we go again. Another cavalcade. This one appears to be the Disney Princesses. Mickey's favorite princess is Belle. My daughter Courtney, as well, her favorite is Belle. My daughter Caitlin, she loves Ariel. In the comments below, let me know your favorite Disney princess. I don't have one. The wait time for Big Thunder Mountain is 75 minutes right now today. There it goes. Those people are happy. Waited their 75 minutes and had their fun. The river for the ferry boat is still drained. It just looks like they're adding a new track, replacing old track, put it in new track. They are at a reduced capacity, so I suppose it's a good time to do this stuff. Doesn't make sense to why they would slow down Tron though. The wait time for Splash Mountain is 70 minutes. We are within the time frame after 2 p.m. where I am allowed to park hop. Let's make our way to the front of the park and figure out this park hopping. So here is the number for park hopping that I've already programmed into my phone. Let's give it a call. And we received some good news on that call, as all the parks are available for park hopping. So I say, let's hop on over to Hollywood Studios. Now, when I made my reservation for Magic Kingdom, where I'm at right now, a few nights ago, Hollywood Studios was not available, but I can just hop over there now. That's pretty cool. Now, I could take the buses over to Hollywood Studios, but since I drove here and I'm parked in the Magic Kingdom parking lot, I think I'll drive to Hollywood Studios. But first, I have to take the monorail to my car. And just like that, we are at Disney's Hollywood Studios. I chose to drive my own car versus taking the bus. In the parking lot, I could walk without my mask on, and then of course the whole drive over in my private vehicle without a mask. So a little extra break from the mask when I drive myself. I do find it interesting that the other day when I was booking reservations, I could not book for this park, but yet here I am today. I love it. I love that park hopping is back. Now, I chose to come to Hollywood Studios, one, because it's always hard to get in here, so I might as well pick the hard one. But also, I am hunting down another rumor, and it involves a ride here at Hollywood Studios. And just like the Magic Kingdom, they still have the Christmas decorations up, but they have changed the music. I'm not gonna be here long. I mainly just wanted that thrill of park hopping. I take it back about the music. Down Sunset Boulevard, they are still playing Christmas music. Well, I guess I won't be checking into the Hollywood Tower Hotel. The Tower of Terror is an 80-minute wait. I came here to investigate the Rock and Roller Coaster. You guys have been telling me, you know, I've been blocked out and I haven't been here, but Rock and Roller Coaster has been down, not working for days and days. This downtime is not part of any retheming, and it is not part of any scheduled maintenance. There is some type of problem or emergency maintenance that it's in need of. This is not a planned downtime for Rock and Roller Coaster. I can only hope they get it up as soon as they can. A lot of people love this ride, including me. The sad thing is, I can't even get like a treat or a snack here. I would love some ice cream, but it's the new year, and I've started out doing so well and eating healthy. Oh, this is gonna be tough. You know what? Since I'm here, let me pop into Once Upon a Time and continue my hunt, my search for an awesome yellow Disney shirt that I could wear. This is the main yellow Disney shirt you'll see in the parks. $25. It has a retro look. The color itself not too bad. Again, I'm not crazy about the neckline on this one. I'm not being too picky, am I? Let me know in the comments below. You think I'm too picky? Inside Once Upon a Time, they also have, for $55, this sweatshirt, which may look familiar. You've seen Nikki wearing this. $43 will get you this yellow sweatshirt. They do not have a t-shirt version of this for me to consider. What can I say? Ron John t-shirts. That's going to have to be my Disney outfit. The newest ride here at Hollywood Studios, Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway, a 50-minute wait. I bet you can do it in 40 though. I think I need to get out of here. The only thing that's happening is I'm being tempted by treats and snacks. And it just occurred to me as I'm heading towards the exit, I did not take a photo or note where I parked. This will be interesting. Well guys, I think that's going to do it for me for today. Thanks for joining me on my random little video, hunting down a couple rumors, hunting down a couple yellow shirts. I don't know if I was successful in either one of those, but at least I can find my car, right? At least. Don't worry about me. The parking lot's not that big. And as always guys, don't miss the magic, don't miss the fun. Thanks for watching Rix Flix, and now it's time to relax. Hello and welcome to the team, some new Flixsters. We have Marianne Carpenter as one of Nikki's rock stars, Josine and Lori Perez as producers, D.A. Shippers as a producer, Louis Basham as a producer, and Stephanie Reeves as a supporter. Thank you guys so much for joining the team.